G'day, my name's Wayne Deemer. Today we're talking about groundwater. So groundwater is found under the ground. It seeps through the soil, through the cracks, through the crevices into aquifers and is underneath the surface in many locations. Groundwater is quite good for drinking as long as it's not contaminated. Some groundwaters are that deep and they're that pure that you can just get them straight out of the ground and you can drink away. But a lot of groundwater has got contaminations. So what we have to do for those contaminations is to, one, find out what's in the water, what impurities are there, and we do that by testing. We send it away to labs, we get the water tested, we find out what the little nasties are there in the water. From there we can develop a process to treat that water. What we have in Australia is a lot of aquifers, which we do get a lot of water. Between 17 and 30% of our water actually comes from some of these aquifers, and in remote communities especially, there is a real onus on having good quality drinking water. A lot of that water comes from the bores, which is from the groundwater. So they sink those bores down and they pump up the water. But a lot of time that water comes up and it's got a lot of impurity, a lot of minerals in the water which has to be taken out. So what we then have to do is put it through a process of filtration, a reverse osmosis process. But in the communities you have a lot of challenges. Those challenges are that you do not have the infrastructure that's in place in the cities or in the towns, the larger towns. You do not have the power that's readily available where you can just plug things in. So containerised units, off-grid systems are the way they're overcoming some of these challenges. The technologies that are there today that have been developed with a little bit of innovation, a bit of smarts that go into the creation of these off-grid containerised units can help provide regional communities, remote communities with the potable water that they require and that they should have. They should be exactly the same as what it is in the cities and the towns. With these off-grid containerised water systems, we can plonk them down, we can pump the water out of the ground, put it through a treatment system, and out comes good quality drinking water. So putting technology and innovation together gives you good quality systems and gives potable water to all.